Okay, so now let's talk about backstitch. So backstitch is basically, as we know, it's for outline. So you come out any one hole, then you go down as an outline, and then you go up a little forward, then you come back, and then you go forward. So you keep going forward to draw the line outline that you want, and then creating it. It's pretty simple. So here you could also, for example, now it depends obviously on the threads that you're using and how far it is, but for here, so here I've done like backstitch for each X, right? So here you could also do something like I go down here, I know I want like a long line covering two, and then do for the two directly. Something to keep in mind here, of course, if it's too long, then it'll start coming out like this. So just be mindful of the curves and be even. So that's it. That's your cross stitch.